Kurumirira bara ya ungumania iria ikoretwo igithii na mbere guku bururi-ini kuria arugamiriria honge itiganite maikitio ngono na kuhingurirwo thitango cia ungumania. Riu minista wa utamburukio wa mahinya Eugene Wamalwa nioritie magavana kwaga gutigwo na thutha hari bara ino. Wamalwa aritio hindi ya kigomano gia keri kigie utamburukio wa mahinya guku akiuria magavana matigakorwo nio mari muhari-ini wa mbere hari ungumania.
The policy on devolved government outlines the legislation and regulations required to strengthen devolution. In this respect, the ministry is coordinating discussions with stakeholders with a view to strengthening all the devolution laws and attendant regulations, as well as the development of new ones to support establishment of regional economic blocks by counties.
Ndumiriri-ini yake muikariri giti wa kanjo ya magavana Josephat Nanok iria irathomirwo ni gavana wa kaunti ya Vihiga Wilberforce Otichilo. Nanok niaugite no nginyagia magavana merutire gutigirira ni matungatire muingi uria kwagiriire.
Creating a sustainable legal and policy environment to support development through both public and private investments in the form of transformative, inclusive and viable projects is critical for county governments.
Nake murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa UNDP guku bururi-ini Shidharth Chatterjee niaugite ni manyitanire na county itiganite gutigirira ni mahurana na ikuire ciumanaga na atumia makiheo ciana.
This is the fruits of devolution myself when working in counties like Mandera and Wajir and Marsabit and Lamu and Isiolo, Migori. These 6 counties contributed to 50% of the maternal deaths in Kenya. 15 counties contributed to 98% of the maternal deaths in Kenya.
Girifotera Kameme TV mohoro gitau ni jitago Wangui wa Mwiruri.